graduates, stand. Raise your right hand and follow after me. With my high sense of responsibility, and imploring the aid of divine providence, I hereby pledge loyalty to my alma mater, Lago Computer College, Philippines, and promise to uphold its ideals with honor, in the service of my country and fellow men. So help me God.
Thank you, Amador Jan, a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science graduate. A message from a graduate led by Hazel Ann Garcia, Computer Secretarial graduate. The college president, Engineer Alex Valdez, the vice president, Mrs. Richelda E. Valdez, faculty and staff, fellow graduates, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am honored to speak to you on this very important day. First, I'd like to thank the administration of Agua Computer College Philippines for their hard work and dedication. I think that college students often take their college experience for granted, as just a step between high school and the real world. As the first member of the family to graduate from college, I do not take one bit of it for granted. So I thank every one of you who supported me and my fellow graduates along the way. We have gotten a great education here, which makes it far more than a step between high school and the real world, but rather a stepping stone to our future. On a personal note, I'd like to honor the very important person in my life who played a very special role with what I am today. My mama, for her endless help, but unfortunately, she can't be able to make it today because of work. My grandma in the audience, who encouraged and supported me, for without her, this would not have been possible. I'd like to thank her for being my best friend, for waking me up at 6 o'clock every morning in order to catch my first period class at 8 o'clock. Fellow graduates, today we have finished something. Sometimes I think it is ironic that in each endeavor of our academic life, we learn and grow and achieve the highest level possible in this institution. The next year, we are thrown back to being low man on the totem pole in our next school. This time, opportunity exists for us to just keep climbing. Like it is an endless ladder to heights we have never been achieved before. In that way, I urge you to make sure that you are on the ladder you truly want to be on. They say our vision will become clear only when we can look into our own heart. Who looks outside, dreams. Who looks inside, awakes. So today, I remind you all to look into your own heart before you agree to a dream that is not your own. Up to this point in our lives, most things have been decided for us.